everybody, I got a request to show you how to use or how I use Python to solve physics problems instead of using a calculator. So the first thing to note is that you should have solved for whatever you're interested in first. Sometimes you can calculate things separately and then put them in, but I just want to talk first about how you do it if you have solved for the variable that you're interested in. So here I've solved for the radius of this little hump that the roller coaster is going over, and now I'm going to implement this in Python. So the first thing I'm going to do is define what all of these things are. So I'm going to do g first. So that's 9.8, and I'm going to put a little comment here that says it's meters per second squared, but it's not necessary. The code, Python's not going to read that. It's just going to set g to be 9.8. Okay, so now let's do VA. So VA was given in the problem, and it was 10.7 meters per second. And again, I'm just going to put this here. What else do we need? We need H. What was H? H was 39.1 meters. And I don't know why it does that. It's very annoying. What else? So we did VA, we did G, we did H. We need AC. So AC, they told me, your numbers might have been different. They told me the AC had to be less than 1.57 G. So I'm going to set it to be exactly 1.57 G. And now if I just type a G there, that won't work. I have to multiply by G. So I have to put a little star. And last up, I think that's it. That's it. V, A, G, H, and AC. This is another G. All right, cool. So I could just say R now, R equals, and now I need to do some parentheses. I don't actually have to. Let's do it with parentheses first and then without parentheses. So I put parentheses first, and then I put a half, and I want to multiply that by v squared. In Python, squared is two little stars. And then we're going to add g times h, and we're going to divide by half times AC plus G. And then I'm just going to tell it to print my value of R. Oh no! What did I do? Oh, I just put V there. I didn't put VA. Okay, cool. So let's see if it works this time. Okay, so we got 25.17. So you can enter that in Sapling, see if it's right. Another way you could solve this, if you don't like having all of this on one line, you could define intermediates. So you could say, well, the top is 0.5 times VA squared plus GH, and you could say, whoops, that auto-corrected, G times H, and we could say the bottom is 0.5 times AC plus G, and then I could say R is the top divided by the bottom. And then let's print R again. We should get the same thing. And we did.